Hey traders, family on YouTube, welcome to Trade Confident, where we live trade cryptocurrency on every single video. Yes guys, I'm gonna go over some ridiculous news here. I have to share it with you. Sorry, that was my golden retriever flapping his lips in the wind this morning. All right, so let me go over some news, but first, you guys know about this. I'm not gonna talk about it too much more in the videos, but tradeconfident.io, make sure you guys are going over here. I'm live trading the top 15 currencies. Yes, I did get picked up into Ethereum, so I updated you guys about that over here. This goes with the YouTube videos, guys. All the updates I'm making, I'm coming out over here. So I said I did get triggered into the first buy limit. I'm really excited about that. I was talking to my wife last night. I'm like, man, I hope this thing goes down. I want to get in here. So we're still looking to make between, I target between 10 to 20% gains per entry here. So we're going to look at about 18% profit on this. So I'm really excited about that. I'll show you guys this real quick. I did get triggered in here. So Ethereum, I have about 11% in here, and I did get triggered into my first buy limit. I do have all of my other buy limits in here. I practice what I preach. All my buy limits are still in here. After the buy limit gets hit, you need to make sure, well, not financial advice, but your sell limit needs to be in here to make sure you guys can take advantage of this if we shoot up really quickly. All right, I told you guys I would show you some ridiculous news. Let's look over this of why some people are fighting this market. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Bitcoin and Ethereum cryptocurrencies plunge following FBI seizure. Here we go, guys. Get ready. Today's FUD is that the FBI's seizure of the Colonial Pipeline ransom, which was paid in Bitcoin, means that BTC USD is easily hackable. This is ridiculous. Of course, that's not anywhere close to the case. As Bitcoin OG Adam Back explains, back in the bear market, and Bitcoin/crypto is surely in one. Even the hint of bad news is enough to send prices lower. Like, I know these guys are trying to reveal what's going on here, and I have actually read other articles about this pipeline, but this is kind of where the manipulation can start happening in news. We're saying, oh, it was paid for in Bitcoin. That means it's able to be hacked. Like, this is partly why I have moved away from news, because I have been seeing so much more profit in my personal account that I'm literally going out, and I've showed this to you guys. I'm taking profits with my wife, and we are enjoying the profits that we are making, and we're having fun, okay? I'm making money on all these trades that I'm calling with you guys. The reason for taking out some of the news on this is because it can be manipulated so much. Well, I'm going to show you guys how the price structure is actually more reliable than the news a lot of times. Possibly almost all the time, but I'm going to say a lot of times, all right? So let's take a look. How far are we going to go down here, and move back up? So yesterday I covered this, guys. We're still all red on the trend dashboard. Make sure you guys are getting these indicators in the description. They're all there. They're brand new to TradingView, and you guys can get them on your chart today. So all retail traders, big traders, they're looking for sell positions. I know that because everyone looks for sells below these MAs, 50, 100, and 200. Even the RSI and the MACD, when they're below this points, that means we're creating some lower highs and lower lows on lower time frames, as well as this time frame, we're creating a high, a low, a lower high, looking to push to a lower low. So I know people are looking to sell. Great. I know exactly what all the retail traders are looking to do out there. And guess what? It's perfectly correlated with what the price is doing. But I like to use these two, which gives me a little bit of a secret of when we're actually going to move back up or move back down, which helps us make money on this channel. Okay. That is the price versus the well money flow. I mentioned yesterday's video, guys, we need to see this green line starting to move back up. The money flow of the wells and the green line needs to start moving back up here. This is what I'm looking for. So watch this on your chart, because as we saw this price move down here and we saw a little bit of a move up on the price, it is still following positively correlated to the well movement. Take a look over here. When the price and the well money is moving together and it's moving down, that's when you just drop out super, super fast. This is kind of what I'm looking for right here. Let's watch for this. If we can get a price movement back up, or we can create this lower high, a low, a high, a higher low and a higher high, if that can be positively correlated, this thing's going back up. This means price structure as well as the whales are buying this massively. So we need to see a reversal there. That's what I'm watching for. But watch this as well. Take a look at this. The trend exhaustion. Is this current trend exhausted and due for a move back up? I think we're actually getting pretty close. I did mention this on the other videos this morning, guys. I do think we are going to keep heading down a little bit further, but I do not think this is going to drop out as fast and as far as people are predicting and putting out on the news, okay? I don't think we're going to get down to this level of about 1,700 or even down to this buy limit of 1,278. I do think we could see a little bit of move down, but I think we're going to see a move back up faster than the normal trader would expect. That's just kind of what I'm seeing. And it's partly correlated to the trend exhaustion. When we get down here at these really low levels, this is when we start to see the price starting to reverse back up. We saw it reverse back up here. We saw a little bit of reversal here. And now we're getting down to this lower area. When we see this get down really low to these points down down here, that's when we start seeing these nice spikes in the market. Even when the price has gone up super far, these are 15% moves up there. Obviously, it's more when the price is lower. So I'm actually expecting to see some type of pump back up. And even myself, guys, like I'm expecting to be in the profit today. Like if we can get a little bit of a surge back up here, I'm expecting all my Ethereum trades to get us back up here. I started at 10,000, so obviously down about $100 here. That's fine. I'm in Cardano and Ethereum right now. I'll keep you updated on all of this, but I'm expecting to get back in the profit here. And if I do that, great. We're going to make about, what is it, 20? Did I say 20% on this? I'm sorry if I quoted that wrong. A 17.35. 17.35. We're actually going to make 20% on, I believe it was the graph I just came out with for a video about that. So you guys are looking really good. Again, make sure you guys are going over to tradeconfident.io if you're the first time watching this video. Guys, this is a free website I set up. I am live trading the top 15 currencies. Eventually, I will be charging for this, but hey, why not make a lot of money in the meantime? Then you guys can pay for the membership when I do come out with it. So all the updates, a ton of updates. I will be coming out with updates here possibly today and tomorrow if anything big happens, but this is how you can live trade crypto. Possibly one of the only trading channels on YouTube that trades live on every single video. And we make money together. And then I show you how I enjoy my profits with you guys. So have a fun one, guys. God bless you. Let's watch this closely today. Get the indicators on your chart and make sure you guys are watching this for updates. I don't send out email notifications. You guys would hate me because there'd be like 1,000 of them and you only want to follow Ethereum. So check back, give it 5 seconds per day. Check back on this website if there's any updates. Let's trade. Let's make some money. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.